I work in a job where in the public is people just there's a lot of people, and so I start to judge coughs. I really notice. I judge the coughs. I can tell, and I want to question people. I'll be like, hey, you kind of stifling that cough. What's up with that? Why, you having other symptoms or some shit? You better get out of here. So if I hear like a suspect cough or some like a sus cough, what I do is I'll go. Until they're like way over there. and then I clock out and go home. Thanks for letting me know. That's my time.
Yeah.